In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Agoda Extranet account with our 2025 login guide. Whether you're new to using Agoda or just need a quick refresher, follow along as we walk through this simple process. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. We'll be heading over to the official Agoda website. Type in www.agoda.com into the address bar and hit enter on your keyboard. Once the page loads, take a moment to appreciate the plethora of options available, from amazing booking deals to extensive choices in hotels worldwide. Next, we need to access the sign-in page. There's a spot on the main page, usually at the top right corner, where you'll find the sign in button. However, for a streamlined experience, we're going to use a quick link that gets us there faster. Go directly to the sign in page by entering www.agoda.com/account/sign in HTML in your browser's address bar. On this page you'll see a variety of sign-in options, but for this demonstration we're going to use Google as it's convenient and widely used. Click on Sign in with Google. This option enables you to use your Google account credentials for logging in. If you're already logged into your Google account on your device, the process will be especially smooth, as you might just need to confirm your credentials. Otherwise, follow the prompts to enter your Google email and password. Once you've signed in, you'll be redirected back to the Agoda homepage. Now that you're logged into your Agoda account, let's navigate to the YCS Partner Portal, which is crucial for managing your property, listings and bookings through Agoda. Head back to the Agoda homepage if you have navigated elsewhere. In the navigation menu, look for something akin to a portal or management section. This could be labelled as YCS or for partners. Once you're on the right section, you'll see an option that explicitly says YCS Partner Portal. Click on this link. If prompted again, you might need to log in using your Agoda or Google credentials. This keeps your account secure by ensuring that only authorized users have access. Finally, for those who haven't set up an account before or need to create a new one, you'll find an option to sign in or create an account. Click on this if you need to start fresh with a new business account, or access your existing one if you have already registered. By following these steps, you should now be successfully logged into the Agoda Extranet platform, ready to manage reservations and make the most out of the features available to you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to refer back to this guide anytime you need a reminder. Have a great day managing your listings.